Energy efficiency has mostly been about technologies until now, but we are trying to create technologies around people. So technologies that will help people reduce energy consumption, water consumption in their homes, businesses, etc. by providing them insights, providing them tips, very personalized. One will be market research, because we need to understand the mindset, we need to understand the context of the people whose behavior we're trying to change.
Fundamentally, the fight against climate change is just like the fight against the pandemic. It has to be fought by the civil society. Every consumer has to lead the fight, and every consumer has to do their own contribution to this fight. And because the population of the world is more than 7 billion, if each of the individual citizens of every country were to make one small change, which can be uniform, and multiply by that by 7 billion, you are having a sea change happening overnight.
At IKEA, we are committed to inspiring more than 70 million people to live a more healthy and sustainable life at home. How do we do it? Our bulbs, for example, save up to 85% energy as compared to normal bulbs. That is a huge saving. Our shower heads or our taps use 50% less water as compared to most of the products available in the local markets here. There is a product which I would really like to tell you about, the waste sorting kit called Dimpa, which helps you reduce your waste to landfill. So you can sort your waste based on the needs of your society or based on the needs of your municipality and reduce waste.
The water which we use to wash rice or boil eggs or boil vegetables, we don't throw it because we feel that it's very good in nutrition for the plants, plus we don't want to dispose it off.
So whenever we leave the house, sometimes we notice come back, the couple of ACs are running on. So I've spent a little money, but from my app I can switch off whichever AC.
Say no to paper usage. So even my daughter, we go more electronic. In our office, we don't print papers. So a paper is something that we reduce, reuse, or recycle probably. My daughter, she's just 8 years old and she is an eco-warrior. So I think we teach the concept of sustainability to our kids as well. I think they have to live a more greener future.
Every time you leave the room, switch off the lights, and every time you're done using water, make sure it's properly closed. So these are the small things which we can do, and of course shorten the shower and things like that, which kids can learn with the time, and they will know how important it is to live in a sustainable environment.
I really don't like throwing away plastic bottles. I actually clean them up and I fill them up with water and I reuse them. And to add, I'm a huge coffee lover, so I always like the used capsules. I have a small box just to save them and to fill it up and to get them back to the source.